Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, class. Okay, please sit properly and I will introduce myself. I'm Iris Sidoy and I will be your teacher for today. Okay? And I have 3 rules in my class. Okay? First, eyes on me. Second, ears on me. Third, raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay? Are we clear, class? Are we clear?
Opo.
Are we clear? Are we clear? Yes, very good. Now, before we proceed to our topic, I will play a music video and we will sing. Do you want to sing, class? Do you want to sing?
Yup.
Why? Why don't you want? We will sing. Okay?
Rolling.
We will sing, Glory. Glory, we will sing. Okay. We will sing, okay? M-A-T-H, M-A-T-H. I love math. I love math. It is so exciting. Very interesting. I love math. Louder.
I love math.
M-A-T-H,
M-A-T-H. I love math. I love math.
It is so exciting. Very interesting. I love math.
I love math.
Do you love math? Let's sing louder.
I love math.
I love math. It's so exciting. Very interesting. I love math. I love math. Did you enjoy it, class? Yes. Did you enjoy it? No?
Bubble.
Why?
Bubble.
Okay. Class, listen. Listen. Okay. Now, what do you think is our topic all about? Yes? It's about math. Very good. Why do you think it's about math? Is it because of the song?
Math.
Math. Very good. So now, in math, we have Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Very good. But today, we will focus on addition and subtraction. Okay.
Me?
So now, let's proceed to our topic.
Gagamba? Kuya, may gagamba?
Our topic for today is solving problem involving addition or subtraction. Solving problem involving addition or subtraction of money. Okay, class? First, if we want to add or subtract money, we have to identify the amount of value of money. Okay, class? Are we clear? Yes. So now, let's proceed to addition. What is addition?
Addition is mathematical operation.
Please read.
Addition is mathematical operation that explain the total amount of object when they put together in a collection.
Again, when we say addition, it's putting numbers together. Okay, class? Again, when we say addition, we put numbers together. Okay. In short, or to make it short, we use plus sign in addition because addition is putting numbers together. Okay, class? For example,
Merong recess.
meron mamaya. For example, how much the value of this?
5. Piso,
Is
piso.
it 5?
Piso.
Piso. 1 peso coin. Okay? How many how many peso coin is this?
5.
It's 1. Let's count. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Very good. How about this?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
9.
Okay. How much? How much is 5 1 peso coin and 4 1 peso coin?
9.
Now, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Oops, sabay-sabay.
9.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
very good. So, how much is the answer? 9 peso coin. Very good.
9.
Next, second example. Or example number 2. How much is this? How much the value of this? 5. So how many 5 is this?
3.
3. So let's count by 5.
5, 10, 15.
5,
10, 15.
15. Very good. How about this? How many peso coins this?
6.
1,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Very good. When we add 15 plus 6, 21. So let's count it. Okay, class? Let's count it on the board. Panis ba? May panis dito.
Panis. 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 May panis dito.
How much again? 15
Spanish.
pesos
Spanish.
plus
Spanish.
6 pesos.
6
Pesos.
pesos. 5 plus 6,
11.
11. So, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2.
Uy, hindi dapat sabi natin.
How much is the answer? 20.
1.
21 is correct. Is it correct? Yes, very good. Do you understand it, class, now? Do you understand, class? Yes, very good. Are you sure? Yes, okay. Since you already got it fast, let's proceed to subtraction. What comes into your mind when you hear the word subtraction? Please sit properly, don't make noise. What comes into your mind when you hear subtraction? Ha? Nagbabawas ng numbers. Tama, magaling. Magaling. Nagbabawas po tayo ng numbers. So subtraction is used when
When
you want
you want to know
okay, let's
how
read. Si Glory naman.
subtraction
Is
use when you want to know how
many of the objects
objects
are
are
left
in
in
the
the group after
after
you
take
away
away
a
a
certain
certain
amount of
amount of
objective
objective from the
group.
Ang
Very
ina mo
good.
magbasa.
So subtraction is used when
When you
You
want
want
to,
to
know
how
how
many
many
objects
objects are
left
left in
in
the group
the group.
after you take
Away.
away.
Okay, stop. So we use subtraction. We want to know how much is the amount of money or object after we take away. So example, earlier, the sum of 5 1 peso coin and 4 1 peso coin is 9. Okay? Now, here are the 9 peso coin. And I decide to buy a candy worth of 5 pesos. Worth of how much? 5 pesos.
Kuya, sabi daw ni
Ma?
Sabi daw ni ano.
Oh, wait lang, tawag ako.